Hi everyone, I'm back and today I'm gonna be solving the 3x3 again. And because I found this new app called Finger Timer and it's really cool. It's just like an original speed cube timer. And if you're a speed cuber and you don't have a speed cube timer, I recommend this to you. It's free, so yeah. This is my 3x3 and I'm gonna mix it. Okay. So then Okay, so this is my mixed 3x3, as you could see. And how to use this app is you need to place your fingers on the finger pad and wait until the green light shows up. And now you could see the green light showed up. So now I'm gonna start. Okay. Okay. And I took 48 seconds and 17 milliseconds. And yeah, this is my 3x3. You could look at myself 3x3 and keep in tune because I'm gonna put another video of me solving the 4x4 soon. So yeah, bye.